Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Netflix account, helping to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to enable 2FA on your Netflix account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. Scroll down to the Security section. Here, you will see options related to your account's security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to set it up, which may include verifying your phone number or email. Step 5. Confirm setup. After completing the setup, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to test the 2FA by logging out and logging back in to ensure it works correctly. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Netflix account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your recovery options updated for easy access in case you need to reset your authentication method.